Introduction. Ever wondered where ancient traditions meet modern marvels? Welcome to Taiwan, a land of towering skyscrapers, lush mountains, and unforgettable flavors. Ready to explore the island's best-kept secrets? Nestled in East Asia, Taiwan is a vibrant island that boasts a rich tapestry of culture, history, and breathtaking landscapes. From bustling night markets filled with tantalizing street food to serene temples that echo centuries of tradition, Taiwan offers a unique blend of modernity and heritage. Its diverse geography ranges from towering mountains to pristine coastlines, making it a paradise for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. As we embark on this exciting journey through Taiwan, prepare to be captivated by its must-visit destinations. Picture yourself wandering through the vibrant streets of Taipei, where the iconic Taipei 101 pierces the skyline, and the aroma of bubble tea fills the air. Or imagine hiking the stunning trails of Taroko Gorge, where marble cliffs and lush greenery create a breathtaking backdrop for outdoor enthusiasts. But that's just the beginning. Taiwan is also home to charming towns like Jiufen, with its nostalgic tea houses and stunning ocean views, and Tainan, the island's oldest city, rich in history and culture. Each location offers a unique experience, whether you're indulging in local delicacies, exploring ancient temples, or soaking in the natural beauty that surrounds you. So, buckle up as we dive into the best places to visit in Taiwan, where every corner reveals a new adventure and every experience is a chance to connect with this incredible island's spirit. Get ready to discover the wonders that await you in Taiwan. Taipei, the vibrant capital. Welcome to Taipei, the bustling capital of Taiwan, where tradition meets modernity in a vibrant urban landscape. One of the most iconic landmarks that defines the city is the Taipei 101 skyscraper. Standing tall at 508 meters, this architectural marvel was once the tallest building in the world. Visitors can take an exhilarating elevator ride to the observation deck, where breathtaking panoramic views of the city and surrounding mountains await. On a clear day, you can see as far as the coast, making it a must-visit spot for anyone looking to capture the essence of Taipei. As the sun sets, Taipei transforms into a culinary paradise, particularly at its famous night markets. Xilan Night Market is the largest and most popular, offering a sensory overload of sights, sounds, and, most importantly, flavors. Here, you can indulge in a variety of street food delights, from crispy fried chicken to sweet potato balls and the ever-popular stinky tofu. The lively atmosphere, combined with the tantalizing aromas wafting through the air, creates an unforgettable dining experience. Cultural enthusiasts will also find plenty to explore in Taipei. The National Palace Museum houses one of the world's largest collections of Chinese art and artifacts, showcasing over 5,000 years of history. From ancient ceramics to exquisite jade carvings, the museum offers a deep dive into Taiwan's rich cultural heritage. In Taipei, every corner is filled with excitement, making it a city that truly has something for everyone. Whether you're an adventurer, a foodie, or a culture buff, Taipei is sure to leave a lasting impression. Taroko Gorge, nature's masterpiece. Welcome to Taroko Gorge, a true testament to nature's artistry, located within Taroko National Park in Taiwan. This stunning destination is renowned for its dramatic marble cliffs that rise majestically from the ground, creating a breathtaking landscape that seems almost otherworldly. The vibrant greens of the lush vegetation contrast beautifully with the stark white marble, making every viewpoint a photographer's dream. As you explore this natural wonder, you'll find yourself surrounded by the sounds of rushing rivers and the rustling of leaves, immersing you in the tranquility of the great outdoors. For those seeking adventure, Taroko offers a variety of popular hiking trails that cater to all skill levels. One of the most famous is the Zhuilu Old Trail, which winds along the cliffs and provides exhilarating views of the gorge below. This trail is not for the faint of heart, as it features narrow paths and steep drops, but the reward is well worth the effort. As you traverse this historic route, you'll be treated to panoramic vistas that showcase the park's stunning topography. Another must-visit spot within Taroko National Park is the Eternal Spring Shrine. Perched on a cliffside, this picturesque shrine is dedicated to the workers who lost their lives during the construction of the Central Cross Island Highway. The views from the shrine are nothing short of spectacular, with cascading waterfalls and lush mountains framing the scene. Taroko Gorge is a paradise for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike, offering an unforgettable experience that highlights the breathtaking beauty of Taiwan's landscapes. Sun Moon Lake. A serene escape. Welcome to Sun Moon Lake, a tranquil gem nestled in the heart of Taiwan. Known for its breathtaking scenery, this stunning lake is surrounded by lush mountains and offers a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. The lake's unique shape, resembling the sun and the moon, adds to its charm, making it a popular destination for both locals and tourists alike. One of the best ways to experience the beauty of Sun Moon Lake is by taking a leisurely boat ride. As you glide across the crystal-clear waters, you'll be treated to panoramic views of the surrounding landscape, with misty mountains reflecting on the lake's surface. Sun Moon Lake is not only a natural wonder but also a site of cultural significance. The area is home to several temples, including the iconic Wenwu Temple, which honors Confucius and the god of war. This beautifully designed temple features intricate carvings and offers visitors a glimpse into the rich spiritual heritage of the region. Exploring these cultural sites adds depth to your visit, allowing you to connect with the local traditions and history. For those who enjoy cycling, Sun Moon Lake boasts a network of cycling paths that wind around the lake, providing stunning views at every turn. Whether you're an experienced cyclist or just looking for a leisurely ride, these paths offer a perfect way to soak in the natural beauty of the area while enjoying the fresh air. Sun Moon Lake is truly a serene escape, where nature and culture come together to create an unforgettable experience. Tainan. The historic heart. Welcome to Tainan, often regarded as the historic heart of Taiwan. This city is a treasure trove of rich history and culture, with roots that stretch back over 300 years. As you wander through Tainan, you'll encounter numerous historical sites that tell the story of its past. One of the most significant landmarks is Fort Zeelandia, built by the Dutch in the 17th century. This fort offers a glimpse into the colonial history of Taiwan and provides stunning views of the surrounding area. Nearby, Chichen Tower stands as another testament to Tainan's storied past, showcasing beautiful architecture and intricate designs that reflect the city's cultural heritage. Tainan is also renowned for its unique culinary offerings, making it a paradise for food lovers. One dish that stands out is Tainan's famous beef soup, known for its rich flavors and tender meat. This hearty dish is often enjoyed with a side of fresh noodles and is a must-try for anyone visiting the city. The local street food scene is vibrant, with night markets offering a variety of delicious snacks that reflect Tainan's culinary diversity. In addition to its historical and culinary attractions, Tainan is alive with vibrant festivals that celebrate local traditions. Events such as the Tainan Lantern Festival and the Mizzou Pilgrimage draw crowds from near and far, showcasing colorful parades, traditional performances, and the warm spirit of the community. Tainan is a city where history, culture, and gastronomy intertwine, making it an essential stop for anyone looking to experience the heart and soul of Taiwan. Kaohsiung. A coastal gem. Welcome to Kaohsiung, a vibrant coastal city that offers a delightful blend of urban energy and natural beauty. One of the city's most picturesque features is the scenic Love River, which winds its way through the heart of Kaohsiung. This charming river is lined with lush greenery and walking paths, making it a perfect spot for a leisurely stroll or a romantic boat ride. As night falls, the river comes alive with colorful lights and bustling night markets, where you can savor local delicacies and shop for unique souvenirs. The lively atmosphere and delicious street food make this area a must-visit for anyone looking to experience the local culture. Art enthusiasts will find plenty to explore at the Pier 2 Art Center, a creative hub that showcases contemporary art and innovative installations. Once an abandoned warehouse district, this area has been transformed into a vibrant space for artists and visitors alike. With its eclectic mix of galleries, shops, and outdoor exhibitions, Pier 2 Art Center is a testament to Kaohsiung's artistic vibe and a great place to immerse yourself in the local art scene. For breathtaking views of the city and beyond, head to the 85 Sky Tower, one of the tallest buildings in Taiwan. The observation deck offers stunning panoramic vistas of Kaohsiung's skyline, the harbor, and the surrounding mountains. Whether you visit during the day or at sunset, the views are sure to leave you in awe. Kaohsiung is a coastal gem that invites you to explore its waterfront attractions, artistic spaces, and vibrant culture, making it an unforgettable destination in Taiwan. Conclusion. As we wrap up our journey through Taiwan, let's take a moment to recap the diverse experiences and stunning locations we've explored together. From the vibrant streets of Taipei, where the iconic Taipei 101 and bustling night markets await, to the breathtaking natural beauty of Taroko Gorge, each destination offers a unique glimpse into what makes Taiwan so special. We've also delved into the serene landscapes of Sun Moon Lake, the rich history of Tainan, and the coastal charm of Kaohsiung, showcasing the island's incredible blend of culture, nature, and culinary delights. Exploring Taiwan is not just about visiting these remarkable sites, it's about immersing yourself in the rich culture and natural beauty that the island has to offer. Each city and landscape tells a story, inviting you to connect with the local traditions, flavors, and people. Whether you're hiking through majestic gorges, savoring delicious street food, or experiencing vibrant festivals, Taiwan promises unforgettable memories. If you enjoyed this journey through Taiwan and want to discover more travel content, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel. By liking and sharing this video, you help us reach more fellow travelers who are eager to explore the world. Your engagement means a lot to us and motivates us to create even more exciting content. Thank you for joining us on this adventure, and we can't wait to share more incredible destinations with you in the future.
Do you want to save big on your next adventure? Watch this video right here. It's basically a free training. See you there.